Hello, I'm Amy White, author, coach, and advocate. I am so excited to be a co-author along with some very talented and successful businesswomen of the book Bold is Beautiful: Breakthrough to Business Strategies. While I've been writing for many years, I first stepped out into the public eye with my work when I launched my blog Far From Paradise just over 2 years ago. This blog was born of the desire to share my lessons learned, heartache, challenges, and success supporting my son through a mental health crisis. It is also the place that I share my personal journey of healing in the aftermath of such an emotional experience. My hope is that other parents and caregivers will read my blog and realize that they are not alone in dealing with similar circumstances and complicated situations. As a life path and business coach, I work with my clients to remove blocks to success. Our sessions include real talk and getting to the root of the situation so that a solid plan can be put in place to move forward. I've had the opportunity to coach many clients over the years, sharing my life experience, my advice, and my intuitive insights to help them along their path. Recently, I took some of my own advice and I looked at my career, my goals, and my passions. I realized that they did not line up. What happened next? Well, you'll have to read the chapter, Art of Saying Yes, to find out. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me and the other co-authors of this book. If you would like more information about my blog or the coaching and advocacy services I provide, please visit my website at farfromparadise.org.